have to find the test for FRT, that is factor reversal test. It is nothing but FRT. So in FRT what happens? The price into the quantity of base and current year, it should give you the value. So no need of calculating P01. Why? Because we have already calculated previously. Same thing we can consider, but we need to calculate quantity. Okay, we need to calculate quantity. So P01 is equal to, okay, I will explain you here so that it is understood. Okay, so square root of P01 will be summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 into summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q1. So if you see the value, we will get in previously what we have written, same thing. Summation P1 Q0, it will be 541 divided by summation P0 Q0 will be 472 into summation P1 Q1 will be 579 divided by P0 Q1 will be 503. Okay, so this will remain same. P01 price, this is for price index. Now we have to know, we need quantity index. So how will you write quantity? Okay, so instead of P it will be Q, and instead of Q it will be, your interchange of price and quantity will take place. So what is the formula? Instead of P1 Q0 we will make it as summation Q1 P0 divided by, instead of summation P0 Q0 we will make it as summation Q0 P0. Okay, you may get a doubt, we can write this only. No, we cannot, because we give price. Here we take quantity as weight, but here we take price as weight. If we write same here, you will consider quantity only as weight here, which is wrong. So we have to reverse the price and the quantity. Into, instead of writing summation P1 Q1, we will make it as summation Q1 P1 divided by summation P0 Q1 will be summation Q0 P1. This is the formula. Okay, now the value is same. Okay, so if you consider the formula summation Q1 P0, so here if you see it is Q1 P0, so where it will get this one, will Q1 P0 503. The same value you can write here, 503. I can explain you here itself. Okay, 503 divided by summation Q0 P0. Okay, we have Q0 P0. What is the value? 472. Into, we have summation Q1 P1. So we have summation Q1 P1. What is the value? 579. So we'll write it as 579 divided by, we have summation Q0 P1. So Q0 P1 we have opposite, that is 541. Okay, so this is for quantity index. This is for quantity index. Okay, so now what is the actual formula for factor reversal test? Okay, it is square root of, we have P1 Q0. What is the formula? Same thing we have to write here, summation P1 Q0 divided by summation P0 Q0 into summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q1 into, we have to write Q01. What is the value of Q01? We have to write this formula, that is summation Q0 P1, summation Q1 P0 divided by summation Q0 P0 into summation Q0 P1 divided by summation sorry, P1 Q0 P1. Okay, always the base current will be first divided by the base here. Okay, now whatever you have written here, this and this, okay, has to be written here in the formula. Same thing, divided square root, we will write same thing. Okay, 541 divided by 472 into 579 divided by 503 into, we will write for quantity, that is 503 divided by 472 into 579 divided by 541. Okay, now if you see here, I said in the formula you will get, okay, in the formula of TRT and FRT, the value, okay, should be square root of summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q0. This value you should get. So how will you get? You will get a square. You will get a square and then you will cancel it. Okay, so that it will be equal to 1. So now here, if you see, we will get 579, 579. So we can directly write, this is of which year? Current year. Okay, this is base year. So this is 579, 579. So let the square root be there. So we have twice, so we can make it as 579 whole square. 579 whole square divided by, we have 472 and 472. So 472 whole square. Okay, so now what happens, we can directly cancel the squares. We can directly cancel the squares. So what is remaining? So it will be summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q0. This is what is remaining at the end. So that is equal to, we will only remain 579 divided by 472. Now if you calculate, okay, 579 divided by 472, we will get 1.2, that is nothing but equal to 1. So even FRT satisfies Fisher index number. So both TRT and FRT satisfies Fisher index number. I will explain once again. So you should know both the price and the quantity formula, so that is you can easily write here. Now in this we will get the values similar, okay, and always this is the current year, this is the base year. So we have twice, so we will make it as square. Okay, here also in the base year we have twice, so we will make it square. When we have a square root, so we can directly cancel the squares, or you can also write it as square root of 579 divided by 472 whole square. Like this also you can write, so that you can easily cancel the squares. So what is remaining? Will remain this. So when you divide this, it should be equal to 1. So when is it equal to 1, that means FRT is, Fisher index will be satisfied with FRT.